I tell you what a night. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post on my channel usually like Thursdays and Sundays, and some of the times I do subscription boxes because I love subscription boxes. And today we're going to be opening up one of my subscription boxes that stopped for a while, but now I have it again. So like here we are. It's like, I don't know, you want to take a minute to guess? Maybe don't look at the box or the title of this video or anything down in the description. Yeah, you're absolutely right. This is the Walmart beauty box. Yay! And they do these quarterly. I'll leave more in the description down below because I'm a little fuzzy, but Editing Me has everything together. I tell you. Beautiful. This is a quarterly subscription box. And for Walmart, I think it's like $6 and change. It's not a whole lot. You get a bunch of like sample things. Like every time though, I get like full-size stuff too, which is weird. I like that. So I mean, I feel like the stuff that you get in here is worth your money. So together, let's go ahead and open this up. I'll show you. And then at the end, let me know if you think this is worth it as well. Comes like this every month. Kind of almost shrink wrapped. Let me get my handy dandy little cloud. Where do I open it? Oh, over here. I was like, there is nowhere to open it. Here, as I struggle with packaging per usual. Here it is. It's kind of a little heavy. Feels like we got some volume in here. Oh, this is the spring beauty box. Spring. Cool. I like the baby blue. It works kind of like with my outfit today. Well, I got a dark blue. I got like the little pink baby pink scrunchie that's holding my hair together somehow, some way. Barely, but it's doing it. It's working its magic. I love it. So let's open this together. See what I got. But most importantly, I want to know what you think, if it's worth it. Oh. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Reminds me of the Target beauty box. I'm just saying, no longer exists, but if like you knew way back when, then you know. Here it is. Little pamphlet of everything we receive. Oh, and everything is like bag wrapped this month. Okay, so let me set this down and we'll go over this together. I know the last time I got one of these, it was like everything in here isn't a guarantee of what you're gonna get, but it's options of what you could get, which is helpful. So spring spotlight, and then like I think the sponsor, I was gonna say the sampler, the sponsor of the box is CeraVe, or they really want you to try CeraVe because it's an ad on the back of this. And then inside, all of the many things you can get, all of them. So ooh, CoverGirl, Neutrogena, Marc Anthony, EOS, AF94, Thayers, CeraVe, NEXXUS, Sweet Tooth, Body Fantasies. Okay, let's go through what I got because I think I see one of the things right away. It's the NEXXUS Color Assure shampoo and conditioner. The full size is $15.98. I don't know if it's a piece or each, but I have the Profusion with elastin, protein, and quinoa shampoo and conditioner, which is like a pretty good size. Not even, I can't lie, I don't know why I mean, I guess I understand why they put them in the little Ziploc baggies. That's a pretty good size. I mean, especially for all of the hair I have, that's a pretty good size. I know I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder like, dang, there's a lot of hair. There's a lot of hair, but this is pretty good. Just saying. The next, ooh, there's another item. Is that one or two? Would you consider this a 1 or 2 items? I would think, I mean 2, but then one. I don't know. Let me show you. Here's why. The next item I see right off is from Marc Anthony, Repair Bond and RESCUPLEX. Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment. The full size is $8.49 for all hair types. What do you do? Proven to make hair up to 111% stronger, 140% smoother, and 129% shinier. Okay. So like a good leave-in conditioner? I don't know. We'll see. The next item I see, it's from NEUTROGENA. It's the Hydro Boost with Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Cleansing Gel. How many times do you need to say hydrating? I'm just asking, but here it is. The full size is $8.99. Pretty cute, pretty tiny. Great for travel. Just throwing it out there. This next, okay. So this next item, it's from Maybelline. It's their Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. $7.98. And I don't think I've heard of this mascara. Very black. 0.15 ounce. I have not. Have you guys heard of? Maybe because I'm not like super into Maybelline. I wonder. So that's another item. So we have shampoo and conditioner. The Marc Jacobs. So we have the NEXXUS, the Marc Jacobs, the Neutrogena, the Maybelline. Hold on, there's more. This next item is from DERMA E. It's a vitamin C moisturizer and serum for face with hyaluronic acid. The full size is $21.57, and they're these little packets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? We're at 5. Vegan, eco-ethical, Derma E. I've heard of Derma E. I didn't know they were at Walmart, so this is cool. And yeah, there's more. This next item is from Pink Sugar. The full size is $14.98, and this is a eau de toilette. So it's a fragrance sample. And it's like a tiny little, which is kind of cool because it comes in its own little like pouch, so if anything leaks or something happens to it, it stays inside here. That's pretty cool. So one way or another, I still get to smell it. Don't ingest it. Free sample, not for sale. Cool. So I don't to me this is pretty cool. I don't think any of these are full size. This is the first box, I think. No, I'm sure I've gotten other full-size boxes, or full-size boxes. I'm pretty sure I've gotten other boxes without full-size products in it. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7. How do you classify all this? How should I, how would I, how do you? Also, I want to know if everybody got the same. I'm going to probably go check out some videos on this. But, so far, that's everything I got in my spring box. That's a lot, I feel like. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you think it's worth it. I kind of do. Just because there's some of those things I know I'm going to use, and other things I know I have people who are very close to me who will use. We'll see. I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. I'll catch you next time. Bye.